Alright guys, let's get on to this topic of Surds, and it ain't a detergent. Now, let's have a look at a few things and see what we've got. Okay, the first thing, let's look at some examples. Simplify 20 square root 60. So if you see that, obviously this is non-calculator, okay? It appears in the non-calculator part of the exam, so you can't use a calculator. How do you do it? Well, the trick here is to look at the square root number and try and break it down. So we can break this down into 20, and what two numbers we multiply together was 60. Multiply together will give you 60. Well, you've got square root 15 into the square root 4, yeah? And what I've done that deliberately because I've chosen a number which gives me an actual integer. I can actually get the square root of 4. It's going to be 2. So this further breaks down into 20 square root 15 into 2. 2 into 20 is 40, so it's 40 square root 15, and that is the answer to that one. Let's have another look at another one. 9 over the square root of 3. So how do you simplify that or rationalise that? Well, you look at the bottom and you multiply the entire thing by square root 3 over square root 3. Now you'll see why we're doing that. 9 into square root 3 will give you 9 square root 3. Square root 3 into square root 3 will cancel out the square roots and just give you 3. And you can see immediately I can do a cut, so 3 into 9 will give me 3 square root 3, and that is your answer. Let's have a butcher's at another one. 7 square root 27 plus 3 square root 12 minus 5 square root 48. Okay, so you've got to simplify this. How do you do that? Well, once again, we're looking at breaking down these square root signs to give us a number which is a square number. So let's have a look at it. 7 into, well, 9 times 3 will give you 27. So we've got square root 9 into square root 3 plus 3 into what now? We can do square root 4, because that's a square number, into square root 3, because these two together will give you square root 12. Minus 5, and what two numbers multiplied together will give 48? Well, 16 and 3, that's also a square number times 3, okay? So that's the trick here, to find these square numbers, because that's where you're going to simplify it. So now we can simplify this first into 7 into the square root 9, which is 7 into 3, square root 3, plus 3 into the square root 4, which is 2, into square root 3, okay? Minus 5, square root 16 is 4, into square root 3.